Pictures now?
Look at that.
What are you doing?
Guess what?
Are you taking a video?
Yes. You're the first person in a long time that's been here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not so lonely anymore.
Are you making like a saga of
Yes,
you being
I
bullied in
am.
this classroom?
I don't know what I'm filming because my camera broke.
Well, that sucks.
Hey Albert, guess what?
What?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Again.
I forgot how many times I'm already up there.
I don't know. You'll be famous. I was like
know.
a second person in the videos. I don't know what I'm filming, but it's okay. This is still going.
Why did Jason make us watch that? We're changing music.
But we are alone. Still don't have anybody. Cookies. I'm gonna go film around.
Okay.
Alright. The vinyl thing's open. Yes. And the gray's on. Oh, no gosh. Oh, what was I gonna do? I can't remember. Oops. What is it? Oh. Let's see. It says, ooh. Yeah. I'm just gonna take this one. Yay! Maybe?
No! Are you still filming?
Yes. Filming my process of doing things when I'm bored. Because nobody's here. Nobody's here.
You do this every day?
Yes.
Wow.
Almost every day. Almost. Wow. I posted one video of me being lonely.
Make me feel bad for not being here every day.
I know! I'm bored as heck. I sometimes sleep because there's nothing to do. Oops. Okay. Yay! I don't even remember where I put it. Oh, no, never mind. Uh-oh. I'm missing my X-Acto knife. Do you have your X-Acto knife over here? Yes, you.
No X-Acto knife, but it'll work.
Yay! Oops. All right. You have it stuck in your head too? Chocolate Rain. Best song in the world. Hey, it's the sun. Yay. That's what it does. Alright. Look what I did in like 2 seconds. Sun.
Why'd you make it?
Because I felt like it.
Did you like use
Because
a,
I'm bored.
Did you like cut it out, or did you use a plotter to cut it?
Yes, I totally cut it out.
It's not hard to cut out in that small amount.
Not like that.
I could do it.
With circles. Circles are hard. Circles are hard. Okay, I'm done. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.